Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by grabbing a USB-C donor and a lightning plug, heat shrink, flux, and a 2030W iron. These are non-negotiable. Cut the damaged lightning end 2-3 centimeters back and strip the outer jacket to expose the foil shield. Keep lengths even. Once done, fold back the shield and separate the 4 insulated conductors by color, trim phrase. Then apply a tiny amount of flux and tin the exposed copper. This simplifies joining and prevents cold joints. Next, identify pin mapping. Align lightning tip signals to the USB-C donor's respective data and power wires. A steady diagram helps. You solder one conductor at a time, heat briefly, feed solder, then remove iron. This prevents heat damage and bridges. Once joints cool, slide small heat shrink over each soldered joint and shrink. Make sure each is fully insulated. Finally, position the larger outer heat shrink over the entire splice and shrink it to restore mechanical strength and strain relief. To finish, trim stray wires, tidy the jacket, and secure the splice so it won't flex at the joint. Mechanical relief is as important as electrical contact. Then test continuity with a multimeter. Check V+, GND, and data lines for correct connectivity. Once confirmed, try charging a low-value device or use a USB current limiter to verify safe power delivery. If you see heat, intermittent data, or no charge, reflow the suspect joint or swap the donor plug. Those fixes solve most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.